Assalamu alaikum. Today I have come to my bamboo garden. It is very hard to. Oh, it is really hard. I have to collect this bamboo because I need some bamboo. You can see already this bamboo is ripe. I have to collect this for cooking purpose, and it is very helpful for the cooking. It is already yellow color, and you can see this is green color. This bamboo is very fine, but it is now useless. But it is very helpful for cooking. I have to cut, I have to saw this bamboo. It is very hard to chop. I thought I should make this video only for practicing purpose. I need this kind of bamboo, and after chopping, I have to slice twice or three, but it's need axe to slice the bamboo. Okay, thank you.